Guys, today we went in his basement and it's a snowy day today. We went outside. We went downstairs. What am I saying? In the basement, and then we heard something breathing. We're not even joking.
Like, no joke.
And we're about to show you once we get down there. So see, we just think it's fake, but it actually did it by itself. But I don't want to be first. Okay, everybody be quiet.
It's opening by itself still.
Dude, just close the door already. We know you're faking.
No, I'm not. The door ain't closing. No joke.
Okay, we'll go.
Don't lock us. Okay.
He put a box in front of there, so now we're gonna dine out here. This is really scary. We actually heard.
You guys hear that? I have a feeling it's something alive.
What are y'all doing?
There's something breathing down here. No
there's
joke.
not. It's that fan. Joanna, get up here.
Wait, let me see.
No, there's
Okay.
nothing.
It's not a
Get up
fan.
here.
What can I see?
No, baby.
I don't want to. There's no way a fan can breathe.
Come on, Thomas. Get up here with me, man.
Shit.
Okay, Okay. We'll stay right here and see what happens.
Just listen close. Be quiet.
I have a feeling it's a homeless person.
Okay, so we're just gonna end it right here. We'll catch up when something happens. So see y'all.